And then today, I am at the bird section.
Sanctuary,
I mean. There's a lot of animals here. Look, he's pretty big. He's relaxing in the shade because under that big tree.
yeah, that's an emu bird.
This chicken right here is behind me.
Wow.
It's really hot. They always shake their heads. There he goes again.
I
He
don't want
always
him.
he like hair all over him.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you bought your dog? Can I hold her? I mean, can I walk her? No, you can only pet her because she's.
I'm not sure how she'll do with the other animals at first, so I'm going to keep her in the bag.
Can I do it? I know how.
I need to sit her first.
That's good. It's the funniest way how she drinks. It's so funny.
I know, she makes her home that go. Ooh, look at the silver top.
Shit. That's a lot of water. Watch.
You take a drink
Just
yourself?
watch. Oh yeah, okay. Watch. Let's get her face. Say hi.
You're not thirsty?
Aw, that's really funny.
So much going on.
Very pretty. Look at the big rooster, guys. Isn't that pretty?
I don't
Like, I'm out of here. Well, let's get your head wet.
No.
Well, then you won't be so hot if we do.
I want to go into the place. That place.
What place? You guys ready to sit down somewhere and eat?
Yeah.
Grass will be cool. Let's find some shade.
Yeah, I saw a bunch of grass with the trees. Can we go over there? Looks really nice.
Wow,
that'd be good.
but look at our bottoms dirty.
This thing
It's
cool.
grass. We'll be fine.
It's grass, just grass. Those make my butt itchy. That makes my arms and legs itchy.
Well, we're not going to roll around in it. We're just going to do like we do at the park. Sit down and eat.
But we need a blanket.
We'll be fine. Don't worry.
It's a
You
picnic.
need to hold that.
It's a picnic. We're supposed to. That chicken's in danger.
Come on, Sonny.
Where?
Come on, guys. Come on, you two.
I hope we're not eaten by that trash can.
We're going to some shady grass. No, let's go sit on that trash bag.
No.
Let's see what's in it. Maybe we'll find something good to eat.
Has the co-op started already?
It starts, I think, the first week of September. First week
Oh,
of
okay.
September.
Now,
Are you guys doing it?
No.
Wait.
Oh,
Wait.
right down here, guys. Look
Yeah.
at this. This is
Yeah.
perfect.
Mm-hmm.
This I know what this
Picnic table, everything.
I know what this place is.
I guess you do little, this is nice little shows.
Yeah,
and
this is
performances.
nice. Little stage.
Yeah.
There's a
For like-
picnic
That'd be
table.
nice for a kid's talent show.
Oh, that would be cool,
When
huh?
it's colder, because everything you usually have to rent. And here you probably could just get it as part of your group rate as a tour. Or just entry.
There's
Get over your table. Here, guys, and look, they even got some water sprinkling if you want to get wet.
Now you gotta go run in the sprinklers, cool off.
Place.
Yeah. This is just the bird sanctuary.
Yeah. Go run in that sprinkler before it goes off.
I take it.
You'll get wet before it shuts off, so then your clothes will be wet and you'll feel cool.
It's the jug! It's the jug!
Uh-oh, we're gonna get wet in this.
Did it come all the way over?
Yeah. You're cool?
Too bad. It'll be off.
My best bunny shirt. This is my best bunny shirt. My dad got me this.
Oh, that's nice. Looks like robot
Okay.
bunny.
Ready to sit down and eat?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching my super bunny shirt.
So
Well,
silly.
Bird sanctuary.
That's a bird sanctuary. Bye.